Hello, kings, queens, and royals in between. My name is Joe, and this is my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be painting myself mint. It's frickin' mint. It's this. This mint with the green lip and the yellow eye. I just love doing yellow in makeup, I guess. And the blue gem and the liner. Inspired by my best friend. Am I going to be able to do this in one try? We'll see. 2 tries, technically, because there's 2 eyeballs. And for the reference picture, there isn't one. Get freaking clickbaited. Okay. I'm just gonna paint my neck and ears first. I don't have a blue striped shirt anymore. I'm blending into the wall. Fresh. All right, let's do this. Let's absolutely do this. Barrymore. It's my knee. In my opinion, Discord should have won Snatch Game. I thought she was funny. Primer. Fenty Beauty Soft Silk Hydrating Primer. It's right there. Can you see? I'm gonna do it this way. Beauty gurus do this, right? I should know because I am one. Everybody wants to be like this. Everybody wants to buy the products that I'm using because I'm influential. With primer, you really would just want to slap it on there. For fan, I'm going to be using Hot Pocket cardboard from like 5 years ago. Probably not 5, probably 2 or 3. Maybe it was 5. I don't actually know. I'm going to be using Sunset Makeup Foundation, the dark green one again, or just green one. And the white foundation, which is from Sunset Makeup as well, and not a company that I regret buying from. That's my lying face. I don't know if you can tell. Oh, the sponge I'm using, it's Squidward's head. They gave him, like, not a lobotomy. It's from Wet n Wild, the SpongeBob collection. Guys, my freaking cardboard keeps sliding around, and I'm wearing white shirt, white shorts, white background. Isn't that crazy? Crazy. I need to get more sponges, I think, just so I can have a dedicated sponge to each foundation color. Because this, so far, has been the green foundation sponge. Not that anybody cares, but the formula for getting this mint color using this green is 2 pumps green, 1 pump white for the foundation. Don't worry, I only got it on my skin and leg hair. No white shorts were harmed in the making of this video. For powder, wait. Stop the music. Valentina, take that thing off your mouth. I want to do cream blush because I'm going to do light pink blush is what I did not think about what I'm gonna use to blend it in. Probably just my fingers. I do not have a rag with me to wipe my hands, but I just want to do it. I'm just gonna do it. I should get a rag. I'm gonna get a rag. I wiped my leg first. Remember that thing from earlier? Never done this before either. It's the Wet n Wild. It's so light. It's so pink. It is the Underwater Wonder blush in the shade Rockstar. It's got Patrick on it. I think a little bit goes a long way, if I'm not mistaken. So I want to use a medium amount because I like blush. I like wearing blush. Perhaps not. Oh no, I put it on. No. I keep dropping this friggin' brush on the floor. Note to self, and to all of you, I guess. Liquid blush works only on skin tone foundation, not mint. Next time, I'll do like this guy, these guys. This is face paint, not meant for the eyes. And since I already put product on my head, I'm just gonna powder it and then go over top with pink eyeshadow. So, setting it with the Wet n Wild translucent powder. If I can close this tub properly, that would be great. No, wait, I think I did it right. This is the beginning of, this is the start of something else. I was almost in a High School Musical play at school. Cue dear old shiz. I'm going to go over top with this mint eyeshadow from the ColourPop Winx Club palette. Review coming soon. Charmix, which is the name of their fairy form. The first one, I think specifically with the accessory. When Musa, I believe, has the Walkman, and Bloom has a heart purse, something like that. It's been a while since I watched the show, okay? I can't find the Nickelodeon version anywhere. And I think to contour, I'm gonna use this kind of aquamarine color, just very, very gently, called Andros. That's where Aisha's from, or Layla. Sorry, the Nickelodeon version is the only version that exists to me. But I respect the Layla truthers. I did forget to spray my face with setting spray, and maybe that's why I'm feeling so dry at this stage. So I'm just gonna do that now. And then we can move on to the highlighting and then the blush. Whenever I do a different order in my routine, I forget the other stuff. And now we wait, but not too long because I'm impatient. Oh, you know, just looking for a mint shimmery eyeshadow somewhere. This is from the Wet n Wild 123 Sesame Street palette for eye and face. Some of these you're not supposed to put on your eyelids. Isn't that crazy? Am I gonna listen to that? Yeah, for sure. I would love to. Love following the rules for my skin. I mean, there's a little sheen. There's a little natural. It's not screaming, but it's like an analog horror, which I always talk about but never watch because I'm afraid. Revolution, Makeup Revolution, highlighter, Makeup Revolution London, sorry. Highlighter Reloaded Set. You know the rest. The tone. Wait, why did I really like that combination, actually? This is the smoothest my highlighter has been in a while. A while meaning the past 2 looks. Well, if I had a shimmer instead of a glitter eyeshadow for these things, we would be here. I'm working on it. I got it. Out. Setting spray in the hair makes it all tangled and hurt. I think I'm gonna wash this brush real fast and then dry it off and then use it for my pink blush. We're good. Look at that. Only a tiny little bit of green. I didn't try that hard. I was watching YouTube shorts. Not yet, anyway. Oh. I might just try a pink shade from the pink and purple palette. Not unlikely as you think. More likely than you think. Pink Prize. This light baby pink. That's what I'm going for. But if it's too light, I might mix in a little bit of this one, which is Bougie. This palette came out in like 2018. I do kind of wish I took it back here. So maybe I'll try to do that. Just on unfamiliar territory. I might do the tiniest bit of a darker one. I don't know how that makes sense. Hello? Who is there? I do like the way that looks. I also think adding more highlighter might make it better? Question mark? Just like to distract from the harsh lines, I guess. Trial and error, guys. Trial and error. Yeah, I like that more. I like this side more than this side, but we're splitting hairs at this point. Plucking hairs. Line. All right, I did both brows and one eye off camera, and I'm feeling all right. I feel like it took a billion bajillion years to do this simple eye. But it might just be because it's raining outside and my bones are locking up. You know how it is. Skin condition. So now, we are going to start doing this over here. Get out your... Oh, you're not doing this. But I am going to get out my Eye Safe cream makeup. And I am going to draw this pointy circle on my eyelid and eyebrow bone. In the drawing, it went all the way up to here. So that's what I'm doing. like so. Is this, I first set the eyeshadow cream with the Solaria shade from the ColourPop palette, and it's not very pigmented. It didn't really do what it's supposed to do, but I did it on the other side, so I'm just gonna repeat. I'm just gonna repeat it over here, just in case it looks different if I don't. Got a little tick. A little funny thing here. It's called Solar from the Abby Roberts Morphe palette, and I'm actually gonna use this as well. And I'm gonna stamp the outside too, just to give a little blending effect. Just to blend a little bit. Trust the process. Look at the glitter, sparkly. Now, on top of that, I'm gonna do the winner shade, what's that, Dad? From the Looney Tunes palette, from Makeup Revolution, London Makeup Revolution. London. This was kind of the saving grace for the other side because my under eyes were looking really crusty when I first used the Solaria shade. And I feel the need to tell you this. Solaria is the dimension that Stella is from. I don't know why my right eye is acting up right now. I didn't even put eye safe glitter on it. Wink. So, don't know what's going on there. First thing I'm going to do is map out this line with black eyeshadow. Don't look at that. It's all right. Only I use this, so don't worry about it. How even is that? I can't tell because I have to turn my head both ways. And then once I turn my head this way, I don't remember what this side looks like. Big brow bone energy. BBE. Got that big brow bone energy. I don't like broke people. And I just did a little thing so I can map out where that line goes. Is it too high? I don't know. Probably. Where is my eyeliner? Oh. The NYX Eyeliner Epic Ink Liner in black/noir. Such things, yes, no. Oh, it is higher than the other one. Crap. It's on purpose. It's intentional. It's art. And you're just living in it. That is my replacement for swearing on this channel until I move out. Guys, don't tell my grandma I said. She's gonna be so mad at me. I clean things up now. New channel, new me. I clean things up because I want to be able to post this and say, I love the way that I spent my days. I'm so into musicals right now. With the tiniest bit of lash glue, because I learned from last time, I'm gonna start putting a normal amount just by putting it on my hand first. And watch me forget it in a couple days when I do another video. So, check that. Eye safe glitter, by the way. I'm too busy to wink at the camera. You know what I'm trying to say. Little rhyme. The sound of the dried lash glue ball hitting the trash can. Nasty. Nasty, girl, nasty. Oh wait, where'd the gem go? Flawless, seamless, and pointless. For gems, for one gem on both, where'd it go? Oh, I dropped it. For real this time. I'm gonna be using this from Family Dollar originally. They don't sell them anymore, as far as I know. I think they were on closeout sale before they went extinct. That is good enough, my friend. Don't look at the hands that don't match the ears or the neck or the face. Fenty Beauty. Can you see the shade name? Because I'm not gonna say it. Okay. What happened? Maybe perhaps these, perhaps? That, could you imagine if that's how fast I put my lashes on? Just from the top. Make it drop. Yep. These were the perfect lashes decision to be. Oh, she's so cutesy. Who is she? Who is she? Who invited her? Rest in peace. Now, for the lipstick, I wanted to do a green, not mint, but green. Guys, it's all coming together. I think since I'm already a little bit green, I'm gonna do the tiniest bit of the, oh, serendipitous. Tiniest bit of the green foundation on my mouth. It should be fine as long as I don't do it near an open flame. And if it turns out that it's not safe to do this, don't do it. Don't do it. Let me do it. I'm dumb. That's not a new sound for me. That's just a new sound for you. And also, I'm sorry. Definitely not a bold green shade from the Delanky palette. This is exactly the shade of green that I was going for. I'm so glad that I chose that lipstick. Now, let's potentially ruin it with a lime gloss. Not Wet n Wild. Silly me. ColourPop, Ultra Glossy Lip. It's the Rapunzel collection. Review coming soon. I keep saying that. In the shade Pascal. No Pedro. But he should play the chameleon in the live action version because that's funny. Uh-oh. You can barely tell that it's a lime gloss, but that is all right. Subtle is what I'm going for this look today. I'm trying out thumbnails. Guys, do I look a little nauseous to you? Feeling a little green. Feeling a little mint. Mint. What else is mint? York peppermint patty. Okay. Anyway, guys, stop distracting me so I can take this all off and then go into my room and watch YouTube for 8 hours. Okay, I'm gonna brush my hair and I'll be right back. I brushed my hair and I'm back. I forgot that I have necklaces that match my earrings. So I wanna do a gold moment. Hopefully no green gets on this. No mint gets on this. Guys, I cut my hair. Can you tell a difference between the last video and this video if you're not watching this channel for the first time? Hoop earrings. Classic hoop-dily-doop-dily. No. That's your friend. I'm gonna do this one on this side actually since it's veering to the right. All its favorite things are over there. I do kind of regret this lip because I had to reapply it on this part, the part that I moved, because it came off with the gloss and I didn't really notice it. I mean, I did notice it, but I was hoping you did. But since I show attention to detail, I fixed it. This is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoyed the process that it took to get here. If you want, please consider liking, commenting, liking, subscribing, commenting, subscribing, sharing between friends and close ones, and subscribing. If you don't want to do that, that is all right with me. But in secret, I wish we could go back to the way things were. Guys, I'm tearing up. And the Oscar goes too. Move into the middle of the camera. There's too much right here. Okay, bye.